as NUT. These teachers, supported by the leaders of the Nigeria Labour Congress (NLC), marched forward a term, the survival of primary education. From the museum ground at the King Square in Benin City, the Edo State capital, they marched to the premises of the State House of Assembly. Their message is simple. Primary education should not be left solely under the care of the third tier of government.
Even right now, what is happening in local government, by the grace of God, teacher cannot be a part of that one.
Where teacher's salary at management and funding was left in the hand of the local government council. Those years were horrible years. In some states, teachers go for a year without salary. Then the question is, a worker that works for a year without salary, how do you expect maximum production from that teacher?
We'll look at it, and the next time we meet with the governor, we'll bring up the matter and discuss with him. We will not have any problem with it at all.
From here, they take their march to the Edo State Government House, where they were assured of the state's government's support for their quest.
Increase the allocation to state government so that they're able to solve the problem of funding primary education. Yes, or if need be, let them have it on first line charge from the federal revenue allocation.
We are very concerned about how to manage the funding of primary school teachers in Edo State, because when you look at the way it is presently structured, it is not sustainable. Therefore, your demands and your request is in line with governor's thinking.
To further drive home their demands, they also made a stop over at the Nigeria Union of Journalists Secretariat in GRA Benin City. These teachers are resolute in their quest to forestall a recurrence of the experience of 1994 to the year 2000, when teachers' salaries were not paid for several months because local government councils couldn't pay their salaries.